So after Halloween, what's next? Christmas. So let me show you the pallets that we have available, which you can go directly on our website and check out all the lots and goodies that we have for Christmas and for fall as well. And let's go take a look. We have these lights right here, which you can contact us about these lights. We have some gift wrap, and these are at $500. You have some in double packs, some singles, but for the most part singles. And you have around 500 pieces in these pallets. And we have some assorted pallets, which are listed at $450 right now. And this is what it looks like. You receive assorted items like these for your tree, for decor, for gift wrap. Look at these cuties. It's a bucket. Have some bags for your man's gift, for your girlfriend's gift, for your cousin, for your grandma. Oh, this one's so cute. Have some gift boxes. They're assorted. We cannot guarantee that what you see on top is going to be at the bottom, so you may get lights, you may get ornaments, whatever. They're just assorted pallets. They're sold as is. Now I am standing in front of a pallet that is a Yankee Candle pallet, which is also listed on our web. I'm going to insert a picture right here. And we have case pack for those that be like, oh, okay, well, I don't want nothing damaged. Look at, well, we have case packed pallets as well, and these are going for $525 right now. Look at these beauty. For more information on how we can build you a Christmas load or any of these pallets that we have available in our warehouse, you can come visit us at 107 Baxwell Road, or you can contact a sales representative on how you can obtain your Christmas load today. And we also build truckloads. If you want a GM truckload, you want a assorted truckload, feel free to reach out.